Oh, well, that's entertaining. Anything else?
And we're stopped, so we can't move.
Why?
There's another train in the tunnel.
Coming the other way, huh? There's the train. Everybody's on it. You guys want to say hi? Hi.
I agree,
Okay.
but it does help.
All right.
And then we can always
We have a
call
slight
them.
delay as the train in the tunnel coming the other way, and then they have to fumigate the tunnel. We are getting ready to exit the ski train. Anything you want to say before we get off?
Nothing.
Okay. We'll see you on the back end.
Blah, blah.
I don't know that I got that, pal. I don't know. I don't know how to turn it off. Here we are on the top of the hill. I'm good. We're recording. Here's the snow hill. Here's Alex ready to go, I think. Yep.
You need to go by?
No, I'm alright.
Okay.
I'm so exhausted on the way. I can't climb up no more.
Yeah. No, come on, let's get ready. Here we go. Everybody in.
All right, are we good?
I haven't gone by myself before. All right, I've always had Alex's weight. Jump in.
That's not gonna be good. That's not gonna be good. Thanks, Dan.
Alex, look at me.
Hi!
Woo! Oh, there's snow all over it.
We might not stop for a while.
Good, nobody's behind us. That's the hill we just came down. Okay. This is a scary view after the hill.
Keep going.
Okay. I need you. This is the boys. Say something. And this is the hill that we go up. Here's the tubing hill. Hey, Alex. Is there a zoom?
Yeah, push the plus at the top. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't go too far.
Nope, that's the hill. We're going.
Here we go.
Alex, look up. Whoa, here comes Christopher. Woo! Sorry. Nice curve, guys. Say hi, guys. I'm looking upside down. I have no idea. Alex, get in there. Alex, get in there. You little stinker. There they go.
Alex! See you guys. You gonna wave to me?
Hold on to hers, Liz. Face forward.
What? Whee! Here goes Christopher down the front. And here I go.
Alex, watch out for them, okay? Alex, watch out. I know.
Dad, throw your tube at me.
That was good, I guess. You guys are so far away, but we'll see. Hold on, I want to get a picture.
Again! I got the second one!
Oh, watch your head! His face. Alex. Hey, buddy. Turn around. Alex. Alexander.
Look at your mom.
Goofball. Go, do whatever. Go get him, Alex. Go get him.
Strong, she's good. That's nice. Can't fly. Not you.
I got beard on my cheek.
Yeah, you got stuff, huh?
Wow. Avalanche.
Are you done? Done for the
Everybody
day?
killed it.